Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we dive into the world of home entertainment. We'll be taking a closer look at the Vizio TV 55-inch, a popular choice among TV enthusiasts. So, let's jump right in. First things first, moving on to the design and build quality, I must say, Vizio has done a fantastic job. The TV boasts a sleek and slim profile with narrow bezels that give you an immersive viewing experience. It's well constructed, feels sturdy, and gives off a premium vibe. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the picture quality. The Vizio TV 55-inch features a stunning 4K display with vivid colors, sharp details, and excellent contrast. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows, the visuals really pop on this screen. It also supports HDR content, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Moving on to the audio performance, the built-in speakers of the Vizio TV 55 deliver a decent sound output. The audio is clear and crisp, but if you're a true audiophile, you might want to consider pairing it with external speakers or a soundbar for a more immersive sound experience. One of the standout features of the Vizio TV 55 is its smart functionality. It comes equipped with Vizio's SmartCast platform, allowing you to access popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube directly from the TV. The user interface is intuitive, responsive, and easy to navigate, making it a breeze to find and enjoy your favorite content. I personally like to just plug my HDMI cable from my laptop most of the times. There are several connectivity options. The Vizio TV 55-inch offers multiple HDMI ports, USB ports, and an Ethernet port for a wired internet connection. Additionally, it supports Wi-Fi, enabling seamless wireless streaming. You can also connect your devices through Bluetooth, which is a great feature for wireless audio setups. Wrapping up, the Vizio TV 55 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. With its impressive picture quality, sleek design, smart features, and solid build quality, it truly delivers an immersive viewing experience. While the audio performance is good, consider additional speakers for a more immersive sound. Overall, I highly recommend the Vizio TV 55-inch for its excellent value and performance. That's it for today's review of the Vizio TV 55. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other products you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.